What if Albert Einstein, the man who unlocked the secrets of the universe, never touched a chalkboard? Imagine a world where his genius wasn't spent on equations, but on battlefields, where E equals mc squared was replaced with strategies of war. This isn't the Einstein we know. This is General Einstein, a ruthless military mastermind whose brilliance reshapes history. But how did this happen? What twisted fate turned a dreamer into a destroyer? In our timeline, Einstein's curiosity led him to question light and time. But in this world, a single moment changes everything. At 16, he witnesses a brutal invasion of his hometown. The chaos, the loss, it ignites a fire in him, not for science, but for power. By his 20s, Einstein's mind, once destined for relativity, turns to tactics. His ability to see patterns, once used for physics, now decodes enemy movements. He rises through the ranks, not with charm, but with results. Ruthless, unstoppable. It's 1914, World War I erupts. But with General Einstein leading, it's not the war we know. His strategies are surgical, his victories brutal. Trenches, obsolete. He uses mobility, deception, and technology like no one before. But brilliance has a price. Einstein's victories pile up, but so do the bodies. His soldiers fear him as much as they revere him. He's not a leader who inspires with words. He commands with results, and the world begins to tremble. Here's where it gets chilling. In our world, Einstein's work led to the atomic bomb. As a general, he doesn't just theorize it, he demands it. By 1930, his scientists deliver a weapon to end all wars or all life. For the first time, Einstein hesitates. He's won every battle, but this could erase everything. His mind, built for war, now wrestles with a question. Is power worth annihilation? It's 1945. The world is on the edge. Einstein launches his final campaign, not for conquest, but to prevent mutual destruction. He uses his bomb as a threat, forcing a global truce. Einstein steps into obscurity, leaving a fractured world to rebuild. He's no hero. His hands are stained with blood, but he's no monster either. He's human, flawed, brilliant. This world never knows relativity, but it knows fear. Technology leaps forward, but so does caution. Nations unite, not out of love, but survival. Einstein's legacy is a paradox, peace born from terror. Here's the twist. Einstein's story isn't just a what if. It's a mirror. What do we do with your power? Will you destroy or create? That's the real battle. Einstein's story, whether scientist or general, shows us that genius is a spark. It's the choices that shape history. So, what's your spark? How will you change the world? Hit that subscribe button and dive into our next video. What if Tesla ruled the 21st century to explore another mind-bending journey? Don't miss it.